Hi children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the words that start with the letter F. Alphabet F phonic sound is F, F, F. F for fish, F, F, fish. F for fan, F, F, fan. F for finger, F, F, finger. F for feet, F, F, feet. F for flower, F, F, flower. F for frog, F, F, frog. F for fruits, F, F, fruits. F for fox, F, F, fox. F for fork, F, F, fork. F for face, F, F, face. F for family, F, F, family. F for factory, F, F, factory. F for fat, F, F, fat. F for fit, F, F, fit. F for file, F, F, file. F for funnel, F, F, funnel. F for film, F, F, film. F for fire, F, F, fire. F for fund, F, F, fund. F for flashlight, F, F, flashlight. F for Friday, F, F, Friday. F for February, F, F, February. F for father, F, F, father. F for female, F, F, female. F for frog, F, F, frog. F for fairy, F, F, fairy. These are the words that start with F letter. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share to my channel. Thank you.